Hey flower friends, Luann here. I am so excited to show you a little bit more about our notes feature, which as of September 2023 has been updated to have individual notes for recipes. So let's take a look at this awesome feature together. We're going to go ahead and go into our dashboard, find a recent event that we've been working on, and click on it. This is a wedding event. Now, let's take a look at the event details button. We're going to go ahead and see here that inside our event details, we have the information about the wedding, our markups, and then our notes. So for the summary page, we've got some notes about setup times, hard set time, what time the ceremony is going to begin, and then a little bit about the color palette and flowers that she does not want to have in her selections, and then a little bit of information for a mood board. So if that is something we want to add, we can go ahead and switch over to our Pinterest page. And on our Pinterest page, we can actually just easily copy and paste the link over in our event details. So once we've opened up the event details button, we can click on that summary page, and now we can put the link to the mood board right there. When we click close and we head over to the summary page, we're going to go ahead and see our notes down at the bottom with our clickable link. Now, let's say that this client really loves the centerpiece that is on this Pinterest board. She loves this particular centerpiece. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to get the link for it and copy it. And now what we're going to do is go over to our reception page. In the event details, you're going to see that now each recipe has its own tab. So these are per recipe notes that we can now include. So we can say inspiration photo, and we can add that link in right there. Now, we also have up on the reception page that we need the 6-inch glass bowls. So we could say Jimmy is our delivery driver, and he needs to pull the 6-inch glass bowls. There are going to be 10 of them, and we want him to do that on Tuesday. Now, we also want to note that we need the 10 6-inch glass bowls under this centerpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it down here. And then I can assign Devin to make these on Friday. Now, when I click close, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'll be able to see these notes down at the bottom of the page. And when I go into my export and I choose my recipe export, I am going to be able to have individual notes for each recipe. So our new notes section not only allows you to include notes on each page, but on each page it's also going to allow you to add notes per recipe. So if anybody has any questions, let me know. I hope you find this really helpful, and thank you for being a member of EveryStem.